mag-stay po sa likod or sa atubangan or sa side po. Basta po not here. Not on this part kasi may mga organizers po na gagalaw dyan later. And the parents also. So I know everybody of you, mga taga-Kasugat, is very, very excited for this nice event, right? Tama ba ako na you are very excited? Yes, because if I'm not mistaken, this is the very first time na magkakaroon tayo ng search for Little Miss Kasugat. Right? Because, para i-refresh lang po natin, last year, we had the first ever search for Miss Teen Kasugat. So, for this year naman, we decided to have the Little Miss. Ewan kung next year, baka Mrs. Kasugat naman. So, mga Mrs., mga Hagigin, I know you are excited for that.